Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn our Mathematics chapter 3, A Trip to Bhopal. In this video we are going to learn how to do division using repeated subtraction. Some examples are here. Question 1. How many buses are needed for 210 children if one bus can carry 50 children? Solution. Total number of children equals to 210. Number of children one bus can carry equals to 50. So, number of buses needed equals to 210 divided by 50. As we don't know the table of 50, so we are using repeated subtraction method. First, we will subtract 50 from 210. The difference is 160. Again, we will subtract 50 from 160 and the difference is 110. And again, we will subtract 50 from 110 and the difference is 60. And again, we will subtract 50 from 60. Here we are subtracting 50 4 times. So, 4 buses are needed. And the last difference is 10. It means 10 children left without seat. One more example is here. Question 2. Each minibus can take 35 students. So, how many minibuses are needed for 210 students? Solution. Total number of students equals to 210. Number of students one minibus can take equals to 35. Therefore, number of minibuses needed equals to 210 divided by 35. As we don't know the table of 35, here also we are using repeated subtraction method. So, first we will subtract 35 from 210 and the difference is 175. Again we will subtract 35 from 175. Like this way we will subtract 35 6 times and the remainder is 0. So our answer is 6 as because we are subtracting 35 6 times. So they will need 6 minibuses for 210 students. Now we will do some more questions related to unitary method. Question 3. 210 children are going to a picnic. Each child has to be given one orange, one banana and 5 biscuits. 38 children do not take banana. How many oranges, bananas and biscuits are distributed? Solution. Total number of children equals to 210. One child gets one orange. Therefore, 210 children will get 210 multiplied by 1 equals to 210 oranges. And one child gets 5 biscuits. So, 210 children will get 210 multiplied by 5 equals to 1050 biscuits. And number of children has not taken banana equals to 38. So, number of children has taken banana equals to 210 minus 38 is equals to 172 children. So, one child gets one banana. Therefore, 172 children will get 172 multiplied by 1 equals to 172 bananas. Therefore, 210 oranges, 1050 biscuits and 172 bananas were distributed. Question 4. There are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. First one double decker, ticket price rupees 30 each and trip time is 45 minutes. Second one paddle boat, ticket price rupees 15 each and trip time 30 minutes. Third one motor boat, ticket price rupees 25 each and trip time 20 minutes. And the last one boat with oars rupees 15 each and trip time 45 minutes. Now we will study the above table carefully and answer the following questions. Here Indra and Vanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. Then how much did they pay? Solution. Cost of motorboat ticket equals to rupees 25 each. Therefore, total cost equals to rupees 25 multiplied by 2 equals to rupees 50. And cost of boat with oars ticket equals to rupees 15 each. Total cost equals to rupees 15 multiplied by 2 equals to rupees 30. So, therefore, total amount paid equals to rupees 50 plus rupees 30 equals to rupees 80. Hence, Indra and Bhanu paid rupees 80. Now we will find out how much time did Indra and Bhanu spend for both the rides. Solution. Time taken by motorboat is equals to 20 minutes and time taken by boat with oars equals to 45 minutes. Therefore, total time taken by both the boats is equals to 20 minutes plus 45 minutes is 65 minutes. So, they spent 65 minutes for both the rides. Another question is here also. How many children went for the double-decker trip? If total money spent on the ticket is rupees 450. Solution. Total money spent for the trip is rupees 450 and cost of one ticket is rupees 30 each. So, number of children went for the ride is equals to 450 divided by 30 is 15 children. So, 15 children went for the trip. Next one is, which boat can make 2 trips in 1 hour? And the answer is paddle boat, as each trip time for paddle boat is only 30 minutes and we know 60 minutes equals to 1 hour and 30 minutes plus 30 minutes is 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Then next question, which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? And the answer is motorboat, because each trip time for the motorboat is only 20 minutes and half an hour is equals to 30 minutes and 20 minutes is less than half an hour or 30 minutes. And here another one question also. Which ride takes less money but gives more time? And the answer is boat with oars, because each trip time for the boat with oars is 45 minutes and the cost of each ticket price is rupees 15 only. And now we will find out the total money needed to ride all the boats. And solution, ticket for double-decker boat equals to rupees 30 each, ticket for paddle boat equals to rupees 15 each, ticket for motor boat equals to rupees 25 each and ticket for boat with oars rupees 15 each. So total money needed is equals to rupees 30 plus 15 plus rupees 25 plus 15 is equals to rupees 85. So they need rupees 85 only. That's all for today, children. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the video. Thank you and have a nice day.